Hello, today I'll be making baked pears. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more recipes, please click like and subscribe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your pear in half, then core it. If you're using butter, cut into small cubes and add to your pan, and then top your pears with your cinnamon and sugar mixture. Now place your pears in the oven for 30 minutes. Some other ideas for toppings are crushed walnuts, raisins. We topped our pears with vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of honey. Share your ideas in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe.